In this video, I'm going to do the quick unboxing and a complete setup of your Instax Mini Link 2 smartphone printer. So it comes with the manual, charging cable. So let's see how it is. Let's start it. So press and hold the Instax button. So we can see it's not starting, that means it is not charged enough. So we have to do the charging. Once the charging is done, then we can start using it. So install it here. So it's charging now, so we have to wait for it to get enough charged to use it. Press and hold the Instax button. Now we have to load the photo film. So go to the back of the printer and slide it on the one side, open it, place it here. So yellow marking should connect each other, and then close it. Next is to go to your smartphone for the complete setup. So we are going to connect it. So first step is to switch on your Bluetooth. So go to your Bluetooth setting and switch it on. Next is to go to the App Store. In the app section, type in Instax Mini Link 2. So that is the Link 2. Select Instax Mini Link app. Just download it. Click open. So it will ask you to use the Bluetooth. Press OK. Press OK again. Notifications, you can allow it. Allow access to all photos. Press OK to access camera. Agree with the terms and conditions. And you can click on the set or later, whatever. On the next screen, you will see Instax Mini Link and Mini Link 2. So correctly select your photo printer. So this is Instax Mini Link 2 and press OK. Using local settings, yes. So we are just outside mainline channel app. Press OK. Scroll ahead until end. Click on the Let's Play. Click Allow. On the next page, we have to add our photo printer. Click on the Bluetooth and the phone. Click on the Bluetooth like device not connected. Select here. On the next page, it will display your Instax Mini Link 2. Click on the connect. Click pair. So we can hear very good sound and it is connected. Click on the close button, and the next step is to just print the photos. So click on the any photo from your phone. For example, I'm just going to print this photo. Now if you want, you can edit it. You can just rotate it, zoom it in. Once you adjust it, click on the print icon. So it has printed the photo. So this way we can do the complete setup, and then we can start using this Instax Mini Link 2 photo printer with our app using iPhone. So we can take this photo out. We'll wait for the photo to develop. So just wait for a minute. So we can see the print quality. The original photo and the printed photo has a lot difference. The colors are more clear in the mobile phone, where in the photo it's not that much clear. Also we can see there is a white shade that is much more bright. The white color is more, and the things are not that much clear on the edge. Overall, I can say the print quality is not that much great, but it just looks very interesting and it's just kind of fun to print with this printer. Choice is yours. Thanks for watching.